In this video, we will show how to merge PDF files with similar file names using the AutoSplit plugin for Adobe Acrobat. It is often necessary to combine multiple documents into a single PDF file based on file name similarity. This workflow is critical across legal, financial, and CRM operations, such as merging separate case files by matter number, consolidating monthly statements for a customer based on their account number, or grouping assets mapped to a Salesforce 18-character record ID. To do this method, navigate and click on the Menu button, click on the Plugins option, and the Select Merge Documents with Similar File Names option. In the Output folder settings, click on the Browse button and select the desired output folder for saving the merged files. Now specify the number of matching leading characters. In our example, it is 18. All files that share the exact same number of leading characters are automatically grouped into a single output file. Now press the Add File button or the Add Folder option to select the input files. Press the OK button to start merging the files. You can now review the results. The total number of output files and their file names are displayed in the Results dialog. Optionally, press the Open Output Folder button to open the output folder in Windows File Explorer to check the files. Visit evermap.com to learn more about Evermap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.